Today we're gonna learn to make this. And we're gonna focus on the kick, the bass, and how you can customize your own sound. I always start by listening to a reference. This is how I prepare myself to know what qualities to look for. And it's always great to check back on it just to be sure that you're still in the same ballpark. I found the initial kick sound I wanted from a hardstyle sample pack. Then I cut the distorted bass and pitched the kick to a deeper key. I wanted a longer tail, so I took that from an 808, made it slightly more aggressive with some OTT and Saturn, cut it to the right length, fade in, fade out, and added an extra layer of snap. Damn it. Comparing before and after, we now have a slightly more aggressive kick, which is great for future rave. In the next step, we're gonna work on the bass. So I got some feedback on the previous episode. Let's see, don't forget call to action. Yeah, is this action? Tell people to subscribe, like, and comment too. Okay, I will. See ya. So this bass preset has the right sound, but it's too short, so let's increase the decay. Perfect. Now I want it to hover, so it goes like... And to do that, we modulate this LFO to the pitch. And by testing out different octaves, we can get sounds that we want and sounds that we don't want so much. Okay, so this is feeling pretty close to the bass of the reference. So now we're just gonna get that kick and bass to match each other. One of the problems is the timing. It's the timing of the So let's make another layer on the offbeat to help as a guide. And together it sounds like... Let's try another octave. There we go. And clean up a bit with this pumper, which is basically doing the same as a sidechain compressor. I feel like this type of bass needs to be put into a big space. So to help with that, I'll make a new layer and put some reverb on it. And together that sounds pretty massive. There is one resonating bass frequency that bothers me, so I will just get rid of that and... Hello! Again, there is this timing issue. So I froze and flattened the main bass layer so I can work on the audio file instead. That gives me a total different type of control. To really glue this together, I will add the reverb of a gated kick. Okay, this one is nice. I want to use the reverb only and then make it pump. So let's hear how it works together with other sound. Here's with a synth. And here's with some percussions. Fantastic! Be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think. Should I make a song with this kick and bass? Also, don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next time.